This is an emergency action notification. All EAS participants will following activation of the EAS Handbook for National Crisis. The President of the United States will shortly deliver the message for this station. Please stand by. Please stand by.
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the International Space Agency. A global emergency is ongoing at this time. Ceres, a dwarf planet located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, is set to collide with Earth in the next 37 minutes. This is a catastrophic event. The impact will cause the Earth to become fully uninhabitable due to this event. You should spend your last few minutes with your friends and family, including relatives. Ceres has been destabilized from its orbit in the asteroid belt. This is a mass extinction level event. Gather with friends and family, including relatives, and prepare for the end of the world. NASA has also shed some bad news. They will not able to stop this event from happening. You must prepare for a calm and peaceful death. We will now play the national anthem. Please stand by. Please stand by.